Hey guys, it's Ann here. In this Cubeet review, I'm going to show you first to market AI consultant tool to transform any website into an interactive website by adding video calling, live chat, phone call, and SMS engagements in just 60 seconds. There is no coding skills or learning curve required to this. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. You will see a link below this video. If you click on the link, you're going to see all of these special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's do a walkthrough together on a Cubeet sales page. With the new breakthrough AI technology tool, you can now easily start a customer engagement and acquisition, service and agency in literally 60 seconds. And you can use Cubeet on your new and existing website or even without having a website, because you can still make huge profits and sales, and you can generate video landing pages and to share them with your clients and businesses. And the bonus part is there is free commercial license included in your Cubeet purchase, and you can provide these services and sell these widgets to clients and businesses and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And Cubeet is the only AI-powered app that adds the Zoom Lite feature for your live video call, audio call, live chat, phone call, and SMS engagement on all your website, and even has the shareable link on your live audio call, live chat, live video call, phone call, and SMS as well. And let's have a look at some of the testimonials from the Cubeet users. Cubeet totally nailed it. Difference it has made in terms of lead generation across my sites is amazing. This will definitely lead to more sales for the business, and I'm very impressed with Cubeet. Let's look at the comparison of Cubeet compared to its competitors in the market itself. With Cubeet, it's only a one-time low payment fee, and it has many features such as intuitive flow editor done for niche templates, video funnels, flow funnels, instant conversion page, scheduler, HD stock media collections, website widgets, a bunch of integrations with autoresponders, and you can create surveys, questions, and polls. You can even trigger support a chat widget installed on your website, easily create flow from Twitter or YouTube, and also easily create flow to sell from your Amazon and Shopify, and also create flows to receive PayPal payment, and also create flows to promote Patreon link. And you can get music from SoundCloud, create flows to promote any website or blogs, tracking scripts for Facebook and Google Pixel, and even ad scripts. And even has the language switcher and theme switcher. As you can see, the Cubeet really nailed it compared to all the competitors in the market itself. And with Cubeet, it works in 3 simple steps for you to start making profits. Step 1, you can pick from over 100 plus niche specific videos and animated done for templates that is already preloaded into your account. Or you can always start with blank canvas and to create your own. Step 2, you can change the text, color, call to action to match your branding and all your offers. Step 3, you can copy and paste the code to embed into your live video and audio calling on your website, or you can always share it with your audience by using a shareable link. And Cubeet is packed with features that are designed to make you maximum profits in the shortest time possible. And with that, you can easily create stunning video widgets, create live chat widgets, create audio and phone call widgets, and easily create a text and SMS widget. And with Cubeet, it's so easy, so simple to use. It has the drag and drop editor, multiple engagement tools, multiple social media links enabled, built-in scheduler, tracking strips, and you can even build a list inside your Cubeet account. There is full training provided, both video and PDF format, fast-track customer support, language support, searchable HD stock collections, and seamless integrations with over 12 autoresponders. And with Cubeet, you can easily generate free traffic by using this AI technology tool, and you can automatically share your links across all social media platforms. And with Cubeet, there are so many things that you can do, and also to take advantage of the new breakthrough AI technology tool. As you can see, many businesses are desperately looking for a way to increase sales from their website. And with Cubeet, you can do that easily for them in just minutes. You can provide your services, and you can even sell these widgets to them. They can be e-com sellers, real estate, fashion, digital marketing agencies, dance studios, architects, interior designers, electronics, furniture, mobile phones and laptops, spas, Airbnb, dentists, physicians and other medical doctors, teachers, consultants and coaches, books, home and kitchen, toys and games, groceries, and just about any business selling any products and services online. And with Cubeet, there are also exclusive bonuses included in your purchase as well. Bonus 1, you have the practical back-end webinar training on how to monetize Cubeet. Bonus 2, you get a WhatsApp store builder. Bonus 3, you get a client time tracker. And bonus 4, you get a QR code digital business card maker. And with Cubeet, it comes with the 30 days risk-free money-back guarantee. And let's do a recap on what you'll be getting if you decide to grab a copy of Cubeet. Cubeet has the personal plan and the commercial plan. Both plans has many similar features among each other, but some you get more with the commercial plan. For example, you get access up to 50 fully customizable video, audio, phone call, and SMS templates. And with commercial plan, you can create up to 10 video call widgets, 10 live chat widgets, 10 audio call widgets, 10 text and SMS widgets. You can create up to 10 funnel flows, create 10 instant conversion pages. You get free storage up to 5 GB, and you have 5,000 traffic limit per cube widget. And you're also entitled to 4 exclusive bonuses for the commercial plan. And the pricing for the personal plan is $27 one-time payment, and for the commercial plan is $37 one-time payment. And next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to grab a copy of Cubeet. Enjoy!
Guys, this is Cubeet, the futuristic AI technology ready to skyrocket your website engagement like no other app will. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 3 easy steps even your grandma can do. Sounds good? Then let's do this. Step 1, create your flow. You create your new flow by clicking here, and you will be able to build it out from scratch or by using our awesome looking, ready to plug and play and high converting flow templates for different marketing purposes. Well, we're done with step 1. That was easy, right? Step 2, customize your flow. Customizing your flow is a piece of cake too. At your left, you will be able to add elements to your flow. In Bricks, you will find all kinds of designing elements you would like to add to your flow. You see the popular ones, as well as many more. If you want your visitors to engage with you, you can use all types of engaging elements which will let people communicate with you in ways never thought possible to be in one place. But more than engaging, you want people to go beyond. With cards, you will be able to get them to go to the next level. What about adding an Amazon product? What about adding a Shopify store product? What about adding a payment button? Guys, if you want to increase conversions in your business, you need to know what, where, and when to show these types of buttons to your website visitors. And Cubeet makes it as easy as pie. And if you want to be able to customize each of these elements, you do so by clicking one of them and customizing it at your right. This one is a really nice one to showcase several of the most engaging elements used by visitors, which are video call, audio call, live chat, phone call, and instant SMS. And guys, let me tell you, I have tested them all, and they work just awesome. Well, we're done here. Let's export this flow. And there is your flow. Now, let's get it live. Step 3, copy and pasting your widget. Let's go to Widgets. Create a new one. Name it. Decide which website you would like to show this widget on. Choose a layout and save it. Copy it. And right before we paste it, let's connect this widget with your flow. Save it. go to the heading of your website and paste the code right below the head tag. Now let's see our flow in action. So let's test this out. And this is how a video call looks like.
Hello, how are
How are
you?
you doing?
Fine, fine.
And this is how an audio call looks like.
Hello, how are you?
Hi there.
This is how the chatting looks like. This is how the phone call looks like. And this is how the SMS looks like. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Lots more awesome stuff inside Cubeet, but I can't show them all in this video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use futuristic AI technology to automate engagement and take your business to the next level, then try Cubeet today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Cubeet, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.